I have something to tell you. I have something to tell you. So, you know how I was saying down I don't really do like talk shows. One about to change. So, like, I'm gonna do this thing where it's called I think I'm funny. And we do things. I do things that are funny. And, um, and act like that I'm really funny all the time. So, um, um, and also I might invite you over that day that I'm doing it. It's this Saturday, so I'm going to be doing it every Saturday. Mm. See, I'll just have a living room where I am right now, watching TV. In my living, I might see my living room where I am right now. I'm going to be downstairs. I might be in my room, his room. It's so many people, so yeah. I just want to tell you that. But I told you that I'm sorry. I didn't do one on Saturday, but I'm gonna be doing some on Saturday. So yeah, okay. This is my last, almost my last time. I want to sing a song. People, okay. So, let's see. Okay, I'm just getting it. Okay, here I go. Listen to yourself, your heart now. Sing when you breaking your soul. What's it gonna take to come back? We both know. Yeah, I was at time last weekend. I think that was really fun. My party's going and here we go. Oh, you got to get right. You can keep it. Oh, we set the mountain about to go down. Oh, you sure there's no one. I feel like it's not when I was gone. Baby, surely I'll sit down. From your past, from your phone. Baby, surely I'll kiss and tell. Do not bother. I feel like a pig in the world. You know my heart you have to keep it super mouth shut. You have to keep it. I know. I hope you cry. Whoa, oh, you got to say whoa, oh, you couldn't keep it, whoa, oh, but you need to announce them about to go down. Oh, You be the one. I can really start when I was gone. Maybe saying, oh, kiss and tell. You could have in your hand. You don't sorry when you turn. Maybe saying, oh, kiss and tell. You know, you got to go, go, in your place, you got to go up and down. And you know, I think I just love when I was gone. Maybe children, oh, kiss and tell. You should have done your time. You say sorry from your oh, kiss and tell. Kiss and tell. Sorry about it. Anyway, um, yeah. Hope you like it. And please remember if you have any things that I could do in my new web show that you think I could do to act like it's funny but not do it in a funny way, please tell me. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Also, before I go, if you know how to do like cool backgrounds in my web show, please tell me. And bye, children and stuff. Thank you.